The loanable funds theory argues that the interest rate is determined by the demand for and the supply of loanable funds, in particular for the purchase of capital. So, the demand for loanable funds or the demand for money comes from investment. And since investment is related to the marginal efficiency of capital, and the marginal efficiency of capital is inversely related to interest rates, the demand for money will be a downward sloping curve like this, and this will be investments, which is the demand for money, which equals to injections. On the other hand, the supply of money comes from savings. So the supply for money comes from savings, and since savings are directly related to interest rates, the higher the interest rates, the more attractive saving is. So this is what your supply for money will look like. Supply equals to withdrawal equals to money supply. And the equilibrium occurs at the point where investments intersect the savings schedule. That's this point. Here, from here. So this will be the quantity for money, and this will be the equilibrium interest rate. A brief review. The higher the interest rate, the more expensive is financial capital, and this makes the investment project less profitable, which is why the marginal efficiency of theory will be lower than the interest rate, which means that the investment is inversely related to the interest rate, which is why the demand for money is a downward sloping curve. On the other hand, the higher the interest rate, the more households and firms can earn in interest, which is why the savings is directly related to the interest rate, and the supply for money is an upward sloping curve. The equilibrium is where the investments intersect the savings. So this is it for the loanable funds theory. In the next video we'll talk about the structure of interest rates and what nominal and real interest rates are.